Meaning of dumbfound.
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 Dumbfound. The word dumbfound can be used as a verb, meaning to greatly astonish or perplex someone. When someone is dumbfounded, they are often left speechless and unable to comprehend what has happened or been said. It is as though their mind has been temporarily stunned into silence. This feeling of confusion or disbelief can occur in many different situations, such as when witnessing an incredible feat or hearing unexpected news. Essentially, being dumbfounded means experiencing a moment of shock or surprise that leaves one feeling utterly bewildered.